Welcome to channel Explore Big. Today we are going to learn about phonics. What is phonics? Phonics is a method of learning to read. Today we are going to learn the sound S. This is letter S. Wave your hands like snake and make sound S. Awesome! Now can you name these pictures? Discuss with your parents and say the name. Awesome, kids! Good job! Here is your star! Now, shall we say together the names of these pictures? For the letter S.
Sam goes to school. Sam goes to school. Sam goes to school.
Activity time! Now, can you find and say the word starting with letter S? Shall we say together? Spider, sun, squirrel, snail, swan, snake, sparrow. Good job, kids! See you next time. Until then, explore big. Thanks for watching.